Hello, and thank you for your interest in the KIPDA Data Explorer, brought to you by the Kentucky Regional Planning and Development Agency, the University of Louisville Kent School of Social Work, and the University of Louisville Center for Geographic Information Sciences. The KIPDA Data Explorer is a tool to help you visualize, analyze, and interpret data related to the communities, clients, and services found in the 7 Kentucky counties in KIPDA's jurisdiction. With this tool, you can access demographic data from the U.S. Census Bureau, client data from KIPDA, and service provider data from Reference USA. All data have been aggregated to the zip code level. Now let's take a quick look at how to operate the KIPDA Data Explorer. After pointing my web browser to the URL seen here, and clicking through the splash screen, a map appears with a number of menu options. In the upper left, we see the Facilities Switcher, which allows me to turn on and off layers related to the service providers in the area. For example, turning on the Health Services layer, we see that the size of the yellow dot for each zip code is proportional to the number of service providers in that zip code. The legend gives the range of values for each size of dot. Moving to the Explore Data tool, we see that each zip code has been shaded according to its total population. By clicking the Settings panel button, I can change the variable that is mapped. Clicking the drop-down list allows me to see a host of variables related to clients and socioeconomic conditions in each zip code. Clicking on one of these variables changes the variable that is mapped. We recommend leaving the classification, number of classes, and color scheme set to the defaults, but advanced users may choose their own settings. The transparency slider allows you to change the intensity with which the zip codes are shaded. At large map scales, you may wish to display labels, but at smaller scales, labels may clutter the map. To navigate in the map, I can use the navigation tools in the upper left, but many will choose to use the mouse scroll wheel and left mouse button to zoom and pan. If I'm interested in a specific zip code, I can search for that zip code by clicking in the search box in the upper right-hand part of the screen and entering the 5-digit zip code, which will zoom my map to that zip code. If I click on the zip code, I can then bring up a pop-up table of all of the data for that zip code. Using the Find an Address tool, I can quickly locate a street address and see the information about the zip code in which it resides. For example, if we want to know something about 200 Warnock Street, Louisville, Kentucky, we use the Find an Address tool and then click on the zip code in which that address resides. If I wish to switch base maps, I can hover over the base map button and use the base map switcher to choose an open street map or an aerial photo. Finally, if I want to print a paper map, I can set my view to the extent that I desire and then use the print button, giving my map a name and a subtitle. I can even mark my map up with the draw tools. I could draw a polygon around an area of interest. I could draw lines, etc. We hope that this video tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with the KIPDA Data Explorer. If you have any questions or run into problems, please direct all support inquiries to djbidd01@louisville.edu. Thank you for watching and have a great day.